Yes.
Thank you.
See, I can go.
Oh, yes.
So Amani, so what's the plan?
Yeah.
What's the plan today? How long?
3 hours. 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yes.
How high?
Baraf, 4,600 meters.
4,600 meters.
4,600 meters.
All right.
Yeah.
And we're going
Let's
up,
go
up, up.
slowly, slowly.
It's like lava tower.
I guess we're following those people over there.
Yes.
Woo!
Running or no? Kick ass. Very
Okay.
excited.
Go, go, go,
Go
go,
to the top.
Dance too.
It's the dance. The dance. The dance.
go.
How are you doing?
Great, I feel good. Let's go.
Bring it. Bring it.
Bring it. I like your kerchief thing. That's so cute. You got your whole outfit. Do you want to walk us through what you're wearing today?
Complete with my smart wool long underwear.
They're so cute. You're hiking.
Jump.
I was called